Hello, in this video I'm going to be unboxing, setting up and doing my first print with my new printer. It's a Bambu Lab P2S Combo. There's a lift up more across it. I'll do that. I'm getting it. It's really well packaged. One side. Accessory box. Quick boxes in there. Oh. The power supply. Oh, it's like a screen. Don't want to do that. Yeah. Obviously, I'll cut these cable ties. And this piece of foam there. Take that out. I think I need to undo these before we do anything. So in here, I've got a little toolkit. That's everything. Cool. There we go. Some people read instructions. I like to figure it out as I go along. That's the spool holder. I think they call it an AMS, yeah, AMS. Spool holder doobly-doo, I call it. More packaging. It looks like that also. Keep doing that, don't I? It's got these transit screws, that's really good. Holds everything nice and tight together. One there, one there. Oh yeah. Bit fiddly. Don't know if you can see that. And the last one at the back in the middle. Maybe I shouldn't have undone that one. Well, it looks like one. I think you can take the bottom off. Let's take that screw out. Close it. Can't take the bottom off. I think that just holds it down, to be fair. We'll get that out when the bed comes up. An how-to video just how to do this. finally. Right. So it's got to be made foolproof. And we're going to put it on upside down. Can you put it on upside down? No, you can't. That plug goes in there. Make sure you push it all the way in. And carefully feed that round cable in. Recording. Right, so my battery went flat, but anyway. So I had to consult the instructions, unfortunately, but here we have it. So this is a filament buffer, and this is the part that connects directly to the print head inside. The AMS connects to any one of these two, and the 6-pin lead also connects to any one of them two. So that's it, that's ready. I also forgot to mention around the front there is these transport bobbins that you've got to get off. That's it. And we should be ready to plug it in. And I cut it there, and then so I've just got it moved into my man cave, and here we have it. Somewhere with the power button. Oh. Snazzy, isn't it? What's this say now? Europe. Oh. That's my Wi-Fi. Do that later. Use the Allen key to remove all the screws. I've done that. Calibrate for lower noise cancellation, vibration compensation, auto bed leveling. Total time 27 minutes. Start. Right, so I finally got it all connected and sorted. A bit of messing about with the old Wi-Fi, and then I've just quickly opened Bambu Studio. I've imported my part, what I want to print, and that's it. Send to print. And here we have it. as it's come off the printer. Fall to the hole. It's always a good indication of how good a 3D printer is. If we compare it to my old printer, which is here, it's put supports in all kinds of places, and you've literally got to chisel it off the bed. I mean, it's not bad, but it's 10 years old. This is off the old printer. You can see the holes. Just, I mean, it's not bad, but again, where the supports break off. Look at that one. That's the old printer. That's the new printer. This took around 2.5 hours. The old printer took 8 hours. So for anybody wondering what an AMS is, it's basically a spool holder. Because this printer can do multicolours. It's quite easy, you just drop your spool in, feed it in there, it does its thing. Sets itself up. Done. Obviously it can take 4, which brings me on to this, which is going to be my next video. I'm going to print this. If you look, it's actually got 5 colours. And I'm going to show you how to do that with this printer. Even though it's only got 4 spool holders, we're going to print 5 colours with it. Thanks for watching.